How to use Perplexity AI for students. So in order to use Perplexity AI, what you want to do is, first thing, you could create an account. You could go with the free version as well as get the premium ones as well. So basically, the core feature for student is academic focus mode. So you could use the focus mode and select academic to prioritize peer review, journals, and scholars article, ensuring your research is backed by a credible sources. And you could also enable the study mode. So this interactive features shift Perplexity from giving direct answer to your guidelines learning experiences, and it also allows or ask follow-up questions, provide hints, and break down complex problem says step by step as well. You could also upload file and summarize as well. You could also verify the citations if you're using it for research purpose. You could also create study material. You could use a prompt to generate custody, study guide, practice, exams, or interactive flashcard based on your course syllabus as well. And you could also organize the coursework. So you could just go ahead and create dedicated spaces or collections for each classes as well. And you could go with a collaborative project. So you could just share a space with a classmate to build a collective knowledge hub for a group project as well. So this is how you should be able to use Perplexity AI for students. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.